wig comes from Nadula Hair, and y'all, this packaging already gorgeous. I'm super excited. When packaging looks this good, I just honestly be so anxious to see what the wig look like. This is their Bye Bye Knot wig, and this is a 7x5 closure wig in a light yaki texture. This is what the texture look like. I don't see those huge kinks that we talked about last week. I asked you guys, what do you want to see in a yaki texture? Well, this one doesn't have those chunky kinks in it. It just looks like texture. Looking at it, if you take a closer look inside there, as you can see, it's just texture. And this is what it needs to look like all the time, right? This is what the knots look like in the parting. I can't really see them too much size. They're not huge at all. Pre-cut, so you don't have to cut the lace, but this is how much lace you get on it. This is what the cap construction look like. And as you can see, it does come with bleached knots. I'm gonna take the strap and just pull it down. And notice that this hairline has texture. It looks really good, still completely glueless, and it lays super flat, thick, and we're just gonna straighten out the hair a bit at the parting. You get a really good deep parting. So this is what the hair looks like. Super long, super pretty. So soft too. I really like this. So I'm just gonna take my hot comb and open up this parting. Yes, this is 100% human hair, so you can add heat to it. You can wash it. Oh, this is really pretty. I'm just taking a little bit of hairspray and just taking my hot comb down it just to kind of knock out some of the kinks from it being in a box. Insert a clip right now so you all can see a really good close-up of what the knots on their Bye Bye Knot wig look like. And as you can see, you can part this anywhere and it looks really natural just by partings. And I honestly say that it looks really good. The knots are bleached in that parting. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that they put the little fake edges there. You can remove it if you don't want it, but it definitely gives a more realistic look to edges. Like, it's just not a lot of curled hair sitting there. It actually looks like edges. And of course, I think you can straighten them out too if you want to. You can just add a little bit of heat. For the most part, this is what they look like straight out the box. But if you wanted to, you can just touch it up a little bit with the hot comb. And it still gives that natural edge look. It just won't be as kinky. Still glueless, as you can see. All right, let me show you a couple hairstyles you can do with this. Even though this is a closure wig, you can still do a side part if you would like. There you have it. You can do a side part like so. Really pretty. I bet you want to know if you can curl it. So let's add a curl or add a couple of curls and see. And all these products will be linked below in the description box for you guys, along with the link to this wig and discounts. If I have a special one, it will be at the end of the video for you. I'm always curious to see how these textured wigs curl. Usually I don't have a problem with it. Pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that curl. And you can add a bit of hairspray if you want to. Do another one right here on this side. And this makeup look I do have on my channel already. If you want to see how I created the eyeshadow, definitely check out last week's video. All right, I'm going to take some of the hair and we're going to pull it up into like a half up style. Twist it and we're going to do a bun. I'm going to add some curls to the back of the hair. So far this wig curls really good. I'm feeling this style, y'all. But this will be a 7x5 closure. I love when I can get versatility out of any of my wigs, no matter what they are, because sometimes one wig may not be affordable for you, but then the next one is. So it's good to know that with a 7x5 closure, you are able to at least create some styles and you don't have to just wear the hair just in one look all the time. I do have several videos on my channel already showing different hairstyles you can do with not just the closure wig, but also any other type of wig. So check out my previous videos if you are looking for more style inspirations. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it. And if you want shorts, go to my Instagram because I post styles that's really fast over there along with outfits. All right, so this is a style. I think it's really cute. I love the top knot. Usually I hate top knots, but I think this actually looks really good with this style, but super cute. But I do like it pulled forward like so. So as you can see, the curls do drop a bit. I didn't use too much hairspray. I did just enough. But for the most part, you can curl it. And if you want to, you can also pull all the hair up. I'm gonna leave the knot. I just feel like it'll look cute with this, so I'm just gonna pull this up. Take a claw clip. You can get real creative with this. Now the only thing I don't like is right here on the side, but you can also bring down some hairs if you would like to create more edges there. But yeah, this is cute too. And you can also put this behind the ear and pull it up with the clip. So yeah, you can get very creative with this wig. That's there, but yeah, this too. Yeah, and you can also wear it with no part if you don't want to, so you can keep it just pushed back like this. Alright, so this wig will be linked below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for joining me back for today's video. And yes, we are still glueless, as you can see. And I will see you all back in my next video. Nadula.